Well, hi everyone, just a quick video today to do a update, I guess, on powering those wonderful Korg Volcas. This one is more of a mobile power solution, so whilst we know the Korg Volcas are battery powered, and we know that they've got the battery compartment on the back here, which fits the 6 AA's, we also know that that's pretty uneconomical to do something on a more routine basis. So one of the great things about powering these, you might note that I did a video on powering this via DC plugs. Go and check that one out. That's more for a permanent studio setup. This video though is more about a mobile battery type setup that can be recharged, and I'm going to use a USB power bank. This one here, these are generally given to people who want to extend the life of their mobile phone batteries, maybe those people that sort of travel a lot. Anyway, this battery is a 5600 milliamp hour output, does 5 volts. It has 2 connectors, one 2.1 amp and one 1 amp, and also has a little torch on it. Bit gimmicky, but it actually works quite well. I've used it before. Anyway, so I've been busy hunting around for a solution. Now we know that the boys at Sonic State have done a solution on this, and this is actually extremely similar. This has come from China, and this one's a lot less expensive than the Sonic State. It's a USB powered output of 9 volt to a DC plug. Now the problem with this is that the DC plug is not a standard Korg Volca DC plug. So one of the things we've got to do is adapt. And you might, if you follow that video that I did on the Korg Volca power for the studio, you'll know that these little adapters are really inexpensive, and bang, it powers it. Now let's go for the 1 amp should be plenty. We'll go to the 1 amp port on here and we'll turn it on. There we go, and we'll see if that powers it up. There we go, Volca powers up. No problem at all. Alright, so this is not really what we intended to do. So I actually want this solution to be multiple Volca solution. Now when I was doing my shopping in China, I ordered a splitter cable. They actually sent me this one. It's the wrong one, but for the purposes of just getting this idea out to the video, the one I ordered was a 5-way splitter. They've sent me a 2-way splitter, but for the purpose of this video it does the same job. So let's put that in there, and now wants to power our 2 Volcas, and let's sync them together just to prove that everybody's happy. Out, in, and let's press play. So you can see that's working fine. I guess one thing that you guys might be a little bit worried about, and that is that does this thing output 9 volts? Is it is it trustworthy? So why don't we check it out with a multimeter, and let's see if it does do 9 volts. Let's put that onto there. And let's we're just running this off battery, so this shouldn't be a problem. Plug that into there and onto there. There you go, 9 volts, no problem at all. And that was just powered off that battery. So quite an inexpensive product, a lot cheaper than the one that was talked about on Sonic State, but I'll give you a little hint. This one does 8.3 watts, and the one on Sonic State only does 6.3 watts. So this one actually is a little bit more powerful. Now if we do a little bit of maths, 9 volts, let's say round figures, 8 watts. It's about 0.88 of an amp, or 888 milliamps. And you might remember in my powering Volca video that I did, we talked about 100 milliamps being perfectly capable to power these. So theoretically, this thing is easily going to power 5 Volcas. When I get this 5-way adapter cable finally in the mail, I'll come back to you guys and I'll show you with the 5 of them plugged up to this. I will put in the video description links to where you can get these separate components. In my case they were from different suppliers. This was also from a local retailer in Australia, but I'll find somewhere where you can get something similar for one of these. They're everywhere though. Before I go too, there's a few things that I've got videos to do, up and coming videos to do. I'm going to be building this, which is an oscilloscope kit that I ordered off of, I forget whether it was eBay or somewhere. So there's like a box here. These are all the components, instructions. So there's that, and what else? I've got some parts in for a synthesizer repair. These are touchscreen LCDs. I only need one of them, but I bought 2 just in case I stuff it up. So that's going to be an interesting video. USB to audio input cable for the GoPro. I'm going to do a video on how to make one of these. You'll need a special type of USB connector. And I also wanted to do a video on the Korg mini log, this baby. Let me know what you might want me to do on that. And I also want to do a video on this baby, the Roland JDXi. Most importantly, I actually want to do a video on the analog synth. I want to check it out compared to other analogs mono synths and see what it is like. So let me know in the comments below which one you'd like to see first, and I'll get busy for you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Just wanted to let you know a quick thing about my channel. It's a synth and electronics type tech channel. It's not sponsored by anyone. I do it all off my own bat. All the gear that you see on here is owned by me. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Please do subscribe. As you know, it's not a commercial thing that I'm doing here. I'm just doing it in my part-time. It's a bit of fun, and I do hope you enjoy it. So hope to see you soon.